morning, my dear students. Most welcome to the online classes of SBPS. In this video for 12th class in English, today I will teach you again lesson number first in Hornbill book, the last lesson. The summary of the lesson I will try to tell you. मैं आपको बताने की कोशिश करूँगा. देखिए, the last lesson अंतिम पाठ. The story is on French Wars. फ्रांस की कहानी है. The Prussian means German. जर्मनी ने जर्मन हैज अटैक्ड टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ फ्रांस, लॉरेंस एंड एल्सियंस. इन दो जिलों पे हमला कर लिया था. एंड दे हैव मेड द पीपल ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्लेव. वे स्लेव बन गए थे. देयर वाज ए बुलेटिन बोर्ड. एक बुलेटिन बोर्ड था. ऑल द बैड न्यूज केम फ्रॉम द बुलेटिन. एंड द स्टोरी बिगिंस विद अ स्मॉल बॉय. छोटे लड़के के साथ चल, उसका नाम फ्रेंच होता है. हुज फ्रेंच टीचर इज मिस्टर एम होते हैं. हु हैज गिवन हिम टू लर्न द रूल्स ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स के रूल उसको लर्न करने को दिया था. बट फ्रेंड डिड नॉट लर्न एनीथिंग. ही वाज कमिंग टू स्कूल वेरी स्लोली बिकॉज ही वाज इन फियर ऑफ स्कोल्डिंग बाय हिज टीचर. उसे अपने टीचर से डांटने का भय था. ही saw that many people were standing around the bulletin board, but he did not hear. Someone told him, "You need not to go to school, so hurry." When the boy French reached school, he found that the school was as quiet as it was a Sunday morning. Sunday की सुबह हो. And he quietly entered into the class में घुस गया. Mehmet noticed him and said him, "You are today still late." To his surprise, the boy saw that the older person of the village also came into his class. Mr. Mehmet was wearing his fine cloth, which he usually wore on any festival or function distribution के दिन में पहना करते तो उनको पहने हुए थे. After that क्या होता है? Mr. Mehmet began to teach that an order from Germany, Berlin has come that from that day onward only German language will be taught in the two districts of France. This is the last lesson. Mr. Mehmet teach the German language in a very graceful manner. बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से पढ़ाई. All the person become very sad because he was going by leaving the school on the next day. When he told, he dictated some of the words and told them, "This is the last lesson which I have taught you. The new German teacher comes tomorrow. He will teach you the new language." So he was very sad because in his own country he did not learn his own language. कोई भी अपनी भाषा नहीं सीख सकता था. So this was the story of the lesson. As a homework, I am giving you some of the questions. Your question number first will be, what changes did the order from Berlin? What changes did the order from Berlin? Cows in school. Cows in school that day. दूसरा क्वेश्चन होगा आपका, हाउ डिड फ्रेंच फीलिंग अबाउट एमएल एंड स्कूल चेंज? हाउ डिड फ्रेंच These are the two questions which you will try to give their answer. That's all for this video. Thank you.